Hey everyone, welcome back as Jojo.
And Shutzpa.
Yay. Hassan Rahim's back in our lives.
Yes,
and
with Sarfira.
yeah, with Abdullah Kasumbi, the combo we like. They
Yes,
have given us many a joyous moment
correct.
in our lives. So excited about this because recently we've reacted to Hassan's collabs. No, nothing like
Right.
solo-ish of his. We did the one with Shamoon and then with Tala Yunus. So this is nice, written and performed by Hassan Rahim, guitars by Hassan Rahim also, directed by Arham Ikram, produced, mix and master Abdullah Kasumbi. Let's do it. It's called Sarkira.
Yes,
I hope it's a
ready.
fun Hassan Rahim video
Yes.
as we have come to expect. Chalo, 1, 2, 3, play. Looks like it.
फोन पे वापस आ गए हाँ.
Cinematic mode.
दूर इतनी क्यों है मुझसे दूर Left them text for you, it's been 2 days मैं बैठा सुन पड़ा हूँ यूं फूस ये लड़के सारे लगते फूस जो आगे बनते तेरे कूल इंतजार कब करेगी साइड पे तू Her attitude, she got it from her mommy. नहीं समझा जाता ले आए सुनामी पीछे ना हटूं मैं हूँ खिलाड़ी हार जीतने का आदी मैं सर फेरा फिसल में जाऊं तेरे कदमों गिरा किस खुशी में तूने मुँह ये फेरा इस अकड़ में भी पकड़ न हो मैं सर फेरा फिसल में जाऊं तेरे कदमों गिरा किस खुशी में तूने मुँह ये फेरा इस अकड़ में भी पकड़ न हो खूब इतने खूब तेरे रूप जिनमें आती जाती तू I can't help I'm falling for you cold I'm stuck and cracking your code तुम फिर भी टस से मसना हो कुछ गलत किए तो खुल के बोल दो I guess her horoscope tell her different वो चाहती नहीं कोई commitment इन दिल की जंगों का मैं गाजी हार जीतने का आदी हूँ मैं सर फेरा फिसल में जाऊँ तेरे कदमों गिरा किस खुशी में तूने मुँह ये फेरा इस अकड़ में भी पकड़ न हो मैं सर फेरा तेरे कदमों गिरा इस खुशी में तूने मुँह ये फेरा इस अकड़ में भी पकड़ न हो सुनो जाना ना तुम्हारा सुनो मेरे जाना सुनो मेरे जाना ना तुम्हारा सुनो मेरे जाना
Suno mere jana. I thought he'll say Suno mere Juna.
Listen. Hats off. सबसे बड़ा hats off I want to give to the person who thought of that idea and who shot it that way to make sure that कि आप बस कार के bonnet के ऊपर हो और आप वहाँ पे and sunset पे or sunrise पे at one point because the moment when he even chadod on it and they started he kind of was like I think truck जा रहा था या कुछ तो कोई vehicle was going he was just waiting कि like and I like how he kind of improvised that कि like उसका पूरा light आ रहा था he took the entire light on his face while playing with the camera waited for the the truck to go and he kind of gave a look to it and immediately went into whatever they had planned कि वो करने वाला है fabulously done
All you know
like
was planned.
off.
Yeah.
No, that couldn't have been like that was too in the moment for it to be planned.
I think it could have been planned.
One shot. If it's a one shot video or पीछे से एक दूसरी गाड़ी आ गई, how do you plan that?
No, but you can have blocked that entire stretch. No, it could be a private road.
No, they don't look the
not a
private
highway.
road type wale.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying that anyway, whatever it was executed lovely.
Correct. Even if they faked it really well. Where like I was like hooked and fully like invested in the video. And words भी जो बोले जा रहे थे, it was very, he's got that whole teasing romance at the same time trying to kind of rope you in and flirting with you. He's got that vibe so pat down so nicely.
It's his
that
zone.
You just flow with it. It's his zone.
Yeah.
He's flirting with the camera constantly and you kind of want to flow with it.
I mean, we saw in Aise Kaise, that was also one take, and that was also him vibing and singing, and that was also him giving the perfect face expressions for every line. Here it was just a close-up of him, So I was, in my head, what I was thinking is, one, yes, the whole concept, hats off, and they didn't even use like a sunroof, it was actually from the other side of the actual window. Which was like scary. At some point I was like, I hope somebody's holding him. but it was like a close-up, and the whole video, the success or failure depended on his face. So, and his expressions and him singing those lines, it all depended on him, and he nailed it. He got it. You're like, it's just such a good video, and his expressions and his just way of delivering his song, so good.
And the way the focus was shifting from his hands, then back to his face, then back to like, I loved that how there was enough play going on, even if it was such a tight frame.
Exactly.
Where, it was just his face, just and immobile. They couldn't move, they couldn't do anything. But within that, so much drama got created with different layers of depth. Amazing. Like, now we can now we can actually talk about the lyrics, because abhi tak to I think we were so enamored with just the video, his expressions, and the way they did the whole thing. Yeah.
This is the thing. No, so they've written here, one second. Please don't try this on your own. This was performed under supervision. Hassan and the director were tied down to the car. Exactly. Thank God.
See,
so I was scared about. Yeah.
The very fact that they've actually said that.
Don't try this at home, guys. It did not look safe at all. But yeah, so brilliantly executed. Just
in the lyrics, one of my favorite bits, like theek hai, pehle jab shuru hua tha, I was like, yeah, this is Hassan Rahim's zone. I was with it. But the line that got me, and I said, oh, cute, was when, especially there was, I think, the third or the fourth or the fifth line, I can't remember exactly, when he says pakde rehna. Like, even if aap muh fer rahe ho, even if you're not talking to me, but that doesn't mean you let go. Even if you're angry, even if you whatever, but pakde rehna. It was just, I was like, yes, now we're talking. Ab ye bilkul sahi raat pe ja rahe hai. And then when it, continued, then I was much more invested in the song, and to listen to it and feeling the lyrics more, because it was lovely.
I liked everything. I liked the horoscope line. He said, I liked that something is occur, maybe something, that line in the hook. It was, and then something about wo chahti nahi commitment and all these things. All your different groups. I'm like, what was that? I can't help falling for you and things like that.
Such a chase song this is, no? Yeah.
He's just like, I'm telling you how I feel, woman. Why are you? Yeah, very cute. I like it. This is how you express the attraction, guys. Don't hold back. Just say it. Don't play games. I like it. Wait, the lyrics are here actually. Her attitude nahi samla jata, le aaya tsunami, piche na hatu, main hu khiladi. Khiladi. Okay, there's a lot. We'll go through the lyrics here later, but damn, Hassan Rahim and Abdullah Kasumbi, I love this combo.
I'm very happy. After a long time, a song from him, which has taken me back to his start ka songs, which which we were absolutely loving. Yeah, so very happy.
Full typical Hassan Rahim vibes that we love.
Correct.
And
more than funny, yahan pe full wooing zone ho raha tha, but it was still funny. Like it was nice the way the whole thing had been executed.
It was cute.
So
lovely. So yay, keep dropping these things, these songs like this. What am I saying? Keep dropping songs like this. We love it. This one, 19 December. Everyone is coming with stuff in December. It's been a busy month, sorry. But yeah, you love it. Lovely way to wrap up the year with all this awesome music. Tell me more songs of his or other artists that we should get to. Drop me a DM, Hannah. And that's on Instagram. Miss Bhola is also on Instagram. Her handle's below. And okay, both the hands. Do
like,
support.
share, subscribe. Just in case you're new here and you're wondering, duk kya chal raha hai? Purane videos dekho, sab samajh aayega. Currently, just jab tak na dekho, tab tak like, share, subscribe.
Yeah. Please support the channel. It means a lot. It really helps. And take care of yourselves. Loop this song like we will. Live long and prosper.
किस खुशी में तूने मुँह ये फेरा, जकड़ में भी पकड़ न हो।